Well, it was a little sticky outside today, definitely high moisture, but I think we said a little unsettled tomorrow, right?
Yes, and especially the stickiness. We had that this morning. Well, tomorrow morning, the same situation with the fog. Now, the morning is the nicest time of your Sunday. What's going to end up happening, though, after we get up to the 80s, temperatures increase, and that does bring in a round of some showers and thunderstorms by the afternoon and evening. Now, some will be severe with the gusty winds. However, warm temperatures early will also lead to some cooler weather behind that storm. Those thunderstorms come in during the afternoon and evening, and then that means that Monday will be much cooler and also a little bit windier. In fact, after the storm passes Monday, expect a few scattered showers, even wind gusts up to the 30-35 mile an hour range. But that won't last for too long. We'll gradually warm up each day into the next week, just like we have the past couple of storms, and some nice spring-like weather is going to return soon. So look for tomorrow. Up into the 70s and 80s early, but then as that cold front starts to make its way in, it gets a little more windy, and those temperatures drop down into the 50s pretty quickly overnight behind the front. So warm in the morning. Morning looking to be the best time to head outside on your Sunday, aside from the afternoon when those storms start to make their way in. Cloud cover starting to increase on your Saturday evening. Now, the thing is, we have a cold front that has been developing to our west. There is some thunderstorm activity that's moved through the middle of the country today. That activity is weakening. However, it will continue to reform as it pushes eastward tomorrow, and we're looking for another opportunity for some showers and thunderstorms before the end of the day. In fact, I mentioned the severe possibility. This is a marginal risk of severe weather for tomorrow afternoon and early evening. Looking for a few wind gusts around. A couple of them will be locally strong, 50 to 60 miles an hour, and again, a very low tornado potential, which has reduced throughout today, which is good. Although it's still a possibility, even though that has definitely reduced, some small hail around with some of these storms tomorrow afternoon and evening as well. Let's plan it out onto our futurecast. Looking for a few showers in the morning into Kentucky, mostly sunny skies here in Charleston, which is a good thing. Now notice those showers and storms start to get more organized by Cincinnati around lunchtime, and then Huntington about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, closing in on Charleston around 4:35, and then still strengthening and developing as they move into our northern and eastern parts of the viewing area. And there could be some gusty winds with those, but notice even behind the storm, the clouds start to fill back in, a few more rain showers late tomorrow night. And then the pattern becomes a little bit more windy. Windy and cooler for Monday, scattered showers during the afternoon and evening across the region. And yes, we're going to be talking about some snowflakes into the eastern mountains Monday night into Tuesday, but not expecting very much accumulation across our region. So here's a look at our future winds. Pretty calm in the morning until about lunchtime. That's when things start to strengthen, 30 mile an hour gusts there with the storm line, and then briefly calming down after the storm ahead of the sun coming out on Monday, or at least rising, and then bringing things up to a stronger amount. So Monday, I expect some wind gusts to be up to that 30 to 35 mile an hour range for sure out there. And the dog walking forecast for your Sunday. Again, the morning looking to be the best. Make sure you keep an eye on those afternoon and evening thunderstorms, though. Definitely better to get it in before lunchtime tomorrow rather than later. So here is our 7-day forecast. Breezy on Monday, cooler weather, then gradually warming up Wednesday, mostly sunny skies in the 70s. Nice and warm Thursday before our next chance of storms there for Friday.